Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and one of the most nutritious yet lesser known superfoods is an ancient root vegetable called maca. Now, natives in the Peruvian Andes mountains have been harvesting or consuming maca for thousands of years. However, if you're going to consider using maca, it's important to know that even though all parts of the maca plant are edible, the root is the most nutritious part of the plant. Now, maca helps promote natural antioxidants within your body, such as glutathione and superoxide dismutase. It's also considered an adaptogen. Now, what is an adaptogen? It's a natural substance that helps your body address different types of mental and physical stressors. Maca has been shown to promote homeostasis by normalizing the production of stress hormones. And several studies have shown how maca can help promote a healthy mood and provide support for a woman's normal hormonal balance, and also help ease menopausal symptoms. Additional benefits include support for blood pressure levels in the normal range, bone health, and energy. Now, unfortunately, maca powder formulas can vary greatly in overall quality. And this is due to the plant sources and the production processes. Now, if you're going to use maca, look for certified organic maca powder produced from the roots of the plant. Now, sourcing maca from Peru is another high priority because other areas of the world, particularly China, are mass producing maca, which oftentimes leads to inconsistent quality and potential toxic contaminants. And most importantly, the maca root powder must be gelatinized by a trusted and experienced manufacturer. Why? Because gelatinization is an effective process that removes the starches from the raw maca, which helps make the powder easier to digest while offering a smoother, sweeter taste than the raw maca powder itself. Now, our USDA certified organic maca powder uses the highest quality gelatinized maca root powder exclusively sourced from the Peruvian Andes. And you may enjoy it in your favorite smoothies or beverage to help you take control of your health.